Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Happy Halloween 2019. So today I am doing a Wonder Woman look. This is my first time doing a look like this, trying to do like the, I guess you call it pop art for comic. So please bear with me. So I'm just brushed out my brows with the brow brush, and now I'm taking my black glitter eyeliner and outlining my brow. And I'm just going to fill them in like normal. And those are my kids playing the game. Next I'm going to take my Twilight You Can Be Dusk and Dawn palette, and I'm going to take the shade Nefertiti, and I'm going to use my Glamour Dolls blending brush and apply that into my crease and work that up towards my brow bone. And I already did my foundation and everything else, highlight and contour like I normally do. Same products, Maybelline Superstay long foundation in 362 Truffle, and my Cover FX contour palette, LA Girl Pro Concealer to highlight, Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set. So I'm just blending that out, and if you notice I'm not using any tape today. Next I'm going to go into Cashmere, and I'm going to use a smaller blending brush for my crease and just apply that into my crease and blend it out, and also pack a little bit on in my outer V. I'm kind of trying to change the shape of my eye. And I messed up a little bit there, so I just took a Q-tip with some micellar water just to get off some of that excess black that I didn't want to be up so high. Next I'm going to take my LA Pro Conceal white base, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. And I'm also going to go out past my outer V to change the shape of my eye, and then just blend that onto my lid. And a little bit past the inner part of my eye as well. Next I'm going to go into this pressed glitter, Quid or Ald, I don't know how you say that. Not yet. I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and just pack that onto my lid. And also work that towards the inner part of my eye near my tear duct. I said not now. Next I'm going to take some of my finger and just pack some more of that onto my lid. Next I'm going to go back into that cashmere just to intensify it, make sure that everything is nice and blended and I didn't lose any of those colors. And I'm going to do the same for Nefertiti. I also applied some strobe cream underneath my foundation so my skin will have a little sparkle to it. And I have my Cover FX highlighter. Now I'm just bringing that down towards my tear duct. Try to change the shape of my eyes to make them a little bit larger and more cartoony and comic book like. Next I'm just going to take my eye gold felt tip eyeliner to go over my eyebrows to make them more darker. Doing the same thing over there. Now I'm going to take my white liquid eyeliner and just outline the bottom part of my brow and then go across the front part with upward strokes just to make it appear more cartoony. Next, I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Milk Pencil using an angled eyeliner brush. I'm going to go across my lower lash line, and then I'm also going to line my waterline with it as well. Trying to make my eyes appear larger and more cartoon-like. And like I said, I have a hard time drawing straight lines with black, so I'm just gonna use eyeshadow for my eyelid, I guess my lower eyelid that I'm trying to create. Thank you. Okay, now I'm just taking a lipstick brush and going underneath that with a black eyeshadow for my lower lid to make my eyes appear larger and more cartoony. If you can do this with a pencil, by all means do so, but I know that I would have not been pretty, so I'm cheating, yeah. Next, I'm going to take some black shadow for a small liner because I didn't want to risk messing up anything else. So I was just doing a small line anyways, thin. Now for the frown lines on the forehead, using eyeshadow. And I did mess up, so I had to wipe that off and redo it because they were too big. Trying that again. That's better. Now I'm gonna do little lines on the side of my nose. And next I'm going to outline my nose a little bit. It was thicker than I wanted. I'm trying to make my nose appear cartoony. And I'm also going to do underneath my chin and then create a new jawline for myself. And it's so hard to get a straight line on yourself. Jeez. Next, I'm just going to highlight some areas with that same NYX Jumbo Milk Pencil. And I'm just taking some gold shadow to highlight my lip area. And for my lipstick, I use my Dose of Colors Flame lipstick and had black eyeliner. So here is part of my look. Wonder Woman, hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a safe Halloween, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Not bad for a first attempt.